Hello coders, imagine a scenario you are given this particular data set and now you need to sort the employee's name based on the length of their names. So what you can do is that you can select this range of cell and then apply a filter here, filter option present in the data tab, in the data tab ribbon here it is filter. Now you can sort A to Z or maybe you can sort from Z to A, but that's not the case which I am talking about. I'm talking about the length of the name, that is Ashit Nag. It's the length of this particular name is much smaller than Turun Ghosh, so Ashit Nag should appear first. So based on the length of the name, how you can do that? So let me right click on C and then maybe insert. Now here I'll be adding a helper column. So lane emp underscore lane. Now I'll be using the lane function equal to lane, and this is the reference of it. Now close the braces and press enter. Now we'll be just dragging all the way across the down to find out the length of this particular the names of this particular length of these particular names. Anyways, so now okay, so I should have been dragged once. Go below. Okay. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be filtering out this data. Let me select this section or maybe just simply go to this section and then smallest to largest. So Ushid Nag, then Turun Roy, Taposh Bose. In this way we can sort data according to the length of the names. So before ending the video, let me just summarize what I did. So with traditional cases, what we can do that if we apply the filter, this particular option, we can filter the data according to A to Z or Z to A. But if you want to filter out the data according to the length of the name, you need to add one helper column, and I have given it the name of employment lane, EMP lane. And then I have used the function lane function to just find out the length of the name, that is the cell containing the lane, and then simply just apply from smallest to largest. So that's all for this particular video. Thank you all guys and happy coding.